Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create medieval image effects on Higgsfield AI. So to create this, all you have to do is to go to this website and click on the login and actually click on the Higgsfield so area. While you're at it, you can actually check out the visual effects section here, which is amazing, and even the image effect. So once you click on the medieval section here, you will be brought to a page where you can actually see every every image created with this particular image effect. So you can choose any of them, and so let's assume I want to recreate this. All I have to do is click on it for me to actually see the prompt. So I can see the prompt here. Click on recreate. So once I click on recreate, I would have my prompt here, so I can actually modify this to what I want it to be, and also change the aspect ratio if I want to, and also change the quality to make it high or low. So the high uses about 2 credits per generation, while the low uses a single credit for generation. So once you're done, you can actually animate your image, or you can animate your image and make it into a video by clicking on the animate icon here, or add speech to it, and then you can proceed to download it on to your system. So that's it guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.